There we go, far from ideal. He says he's already stuck, so we may as well pull him to the tractor. Then we've got the compressor. Hi everyone, it's Jackie at Mainsgill. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tell everyone about it, ring the little bell, you know the full works. So I'm in a field here. It was a field of fodder beet. It still is part of it because we're not lifting all of it. So there you go, so we've still got some fodder beet down here. So there were 40 acre in total down here. They think they've lifted about 12 acre yesterday for us to get on using. However, we had a bit of a nightmare last night. I haven't got any videos in the field yesterday because I wasn't here. I was stuck on the meat counter in the shop. We've got a drone video there, Matthew's shouting. So we've got a drone video, but actually me, I haven't took any videos. However, they've had a nightmare. I'll flick you around. So, the tractor has got bogged in last night. We tried towing it out, and it was coming, to be fair. It was pulling, and anyway, then all of a sudden the tyres come off. So now we've got a bit of a disaster. So the tyres off the back of the fast track there, as you can see. Anyway, what we're doing now is we're going to get the weight off the back. We have to tip this beet out, shove it out the way, and then once we've done that, we'll have to get this trailer off, move that out the way, and see if we can sort this problem out. Good. There we go, far from ideal. So what's going on is Matthew is here, he's just taking the top link off because they've had a dig around underneath the draw bar there, and unfortunately the soil is up against the draw bar, the hitch, so we can't drop it to get the trailer off. So what we're going to do is taking the top link off. There's a big lifting eye here on the back of this tractor. We're going to get the lifting straps, the bits, the bobs, the bottle jacks. They've just gone for everything over there because we've got Johnny Ashton here now. You've seen Johnny every now and again, helps fix machines and, well, has a go at it anyway. Here's his time to shine. And then Alan's here, and one of his lads, they're here, BG tyres, to get this tyre back on this fast track in a minute. So we're going to get it sorted and see what happens. So they've just gone to get some of their bits. They've took the load all, throw them in the bucket, because pickup's over here. I've come on that, but we don't think the vans are going to make it too well. Good. Thought I may as well show you this while waiting. It's some nice beet that we've got this time. You can see there, it's some good crop. What? Place and time and a place. Yeah, we'll show you the pile in the yard, because it's a fair old pile, isn't it, Matthew? You'd say we've only done 12 acre. It's a big pile. Big pile, yeah. We haven't got any room for anything else now.
We were really happy until this happened.
Oh yeah, it was going well until Matthew got hold of this. So, anyway, yeah, it's not bad stuff at all. It should be good feed. Good. So the words were, have no fear, Alan's here. I said the words were, have no fear, Alan's here. Now look at the situation. Now we're farming, aren't we, Johnny? Oh, right. I'll flick you around. Alan is en route. Here we go. Well, it's a bit bumpy. He says he's already stuck, so we may as well pull him to the tractor. Then we've got the compressor. Going well. Oh, it's not going well. So we're getting there now. Loader's taking a fair bit of the weight. We have put one bottle jack there to lift it. It's taking a lot of the weight, and now another one's going under here to lift it a bit more. And we shouldn't be so far off. So here we go. See if we can get this bugger back on. So it's off the bead this side, obviously, it's gone back, but it is still on the bead at the other side, which is lucky. So hopefully we can just get it off back on this side. It's gonna be a good video, this, isn't it, Alan? With you, beep, 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 beep. So here we go, moment of truth. So tyre is back on for the minute. The weight is off the trailer, and hopefully, keep going, Lewis. Just like that, we are back on track. What do you think? Johnny's loving it. Time for Alan to go home. Beautiful. And Matthew is towing that. It's not just doing really well. There is a load all in front of that.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat.